Hello everyone, I am Chef Mangal. Today I am going to cook chicken cacciatore. It's Italian dish. Very delicious. It's a hunter dish, so I will cook today hunter style only. In Italy, this recipe they cook in different way. I am going to use capers, stuffed olive, vegetables and tomatoes. So let's start. See how beautiful this delicious dish. We will make this dish today only. Let's start. Now we season flour with salt and pepper. We have to coat this seasoning on chicken breast from both the sides. Mix it well. Just coat the flour on chicken breast. Same, again repeat the same procedure. But if you see the flour is excessive, just shake chicken breast. Again you have to season with salt, pepper and oregano. Now put a olive oil on heated pan and sear chicken breast. Make sure the temperature of a pan is high. So when you sear chicken breast, juice should not come out. When you sear chicken on high temperature, the juice will remain in chicken breast and it will be juicy. If you see little dry, add little butter in it. Italian food they always use olive oil and butter because their food is juicy and they love oil and garlic. Sear from both the sides till you get a nice color. Oh my God. Now this is the time to take it out. Take it out because we are going to use the same pan. We are now adding chopped onion. We have to cook onions till we get light brown color. We have to caramelize this onion to take out the sweetness of the onion. Beautiful. This color we have to cook. Now we are adding red wine. And red wine also we have to cook, reduce half. Tomato concasse, you can use tomato concasse, tomato puree, tomato sauce or crushed tomato. No problem. A chicken broth, it gives the strength to your chicken. Cacciatore. Beautiful. Now we have, when it starts boiling, we have to cover it and simmer it to get a proper sauce. Yeah, this is the sauce. Now add your chicken breast. Coat the chicken breast with the sauce on top. And from bottom you will get a nice tasty flavor sauce. Again you have to cover it and cook it. It's beautiful. Make sure that your chicken is cooked till 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Add olive, lemon and fresh basil. It makes a chicken cacciatore. Beautiful. Thank you everyone for watching this video. I hope you like and I appreciate all your support. See you next Saturday with another new dish around the world. From India to Switzerland and from Switzerland to New York. See you next Saturday. Bye.